project. They took a paper clip, a standard paper clip, and then we used a caliper to reverse engineer the dimensioning, the profile of the cross section of the paper clip, and then using just straight lines, and they reconstruct the simple sketch using straight lines only again, and then they round up these corners here to create a nice touch and aesthetic look. So using these dimensional millimeters, they reverse engineer, put it in a software called Creo. Go down here and drag. Like they start with a simple shape just like you saw on the board, and when I go in there, it will show the section with all dimensions. Okay, so the length 40, the vertical height, and then the angle, the two angles with all the dimension controlling there. And then next thing, gonna round up the edges. Control A, Control B. So we got this shape here. Anyway, right there. And then the second round on the bottom here, and the final round right here. That's where the papers will be inserted. So we curve them out so they can slide in smoothly. And then finally we thicken it, and we do some more aesthetic design to round up these sharp edges here. One there, the last one right here. And then we convert to STL file, and we put into a printer setting software for the 3D printer. So then we print 4 of them, like a little factory design, and that will take about 3 hours and 15 minutes. Yeah, now it's printing the outside of the paper clips protection layer that prevents the thing from lifting off. So because of thermal effect, it tends to bow when it cools down. But that layer will kind of like a piece of Scotch tape going around it, and it's going to hold down the piece.